boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Well, I don't wanna be like you. So, pretty straightforward song, 3 chords, 1 strumming pattern. Let's start this capo on first, okay? So we have first the bar chord here, an F. That's a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, we have C next, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So we'll look at the strumming pattern now. To begin with, we grab the F, since that is the first chord. And 1 strumming round will be 4 downs, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? I like to alternate a little bit where I'm playing on the string, so I try to highlight the 3rd down here. I play on the 3rd down, a little bit more down here towards the higher notes, top strings, and then 1, 2, and 4 down, I play more on the bass. So 1, 2, bass, bass, top, bass. That's how I handle the strumming. So, all right. So with that, we're gonna look at the different parts now, and you have to put everything together on your own. So the verse and the chorus will be played in the same way, okay? So you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds for F and 4 strumming rounds for C, and you just alternate that for the entire verse and also in the same way through the chorus. So F and C. You go just back and forth with this. So you learn that pretty quick. And then we have just one final part left, that is a pre-chorus that comes right in between the verse and the chorus. And this pre-chorus is played in the same way as the bridge part that comes later. The bridge part comes in about 1 minute and 33 seconds, I believe, or so into the song. So it's played in the same way as the pre-chorus. The chord progression now will be D minor, 2 strumming rounds, F2, and C4. Okay, so G minor, F, and C. When it comes to the bridge part there, it's the same chord progression. You could go with the strumming, but I believe that 1 down per chord there instead would suit better. So D minor, F, and then C, 2 downs, cause it's twice as long. So like this in the bridge part. So that's how you handle that. Otherwise, that pretty much covers I Don't Wanna Be Like You. So I hope it was good for you. You understood what I tried to teach you. And until next time, play tuned.